I found a Henry.
Where is it? Where is it?
Oh, it's there, guys.
Where?
Yeah.
Is it gone?
Opening.
Oh, GB spotted a Henry and it's there. Oh, we can see it. Yeah, it's there.
That blue has not been stitched.
GB spotted a Henry in store. Oh no. No, GB. It's there.
Oh, yeah. Let's buy this. This. Oh. Looking on this one. Okay. This one was this new one, like that one. I want to stop. Guys, come here. Let's stop for more. Oh, guys, look. Hi. Let's see.
This one's dirty, yeah.
This one is new. Oh, I want to buy those ones. Come, let's look up. Guys, I found more. Guys, which one should we buy?
This one?
Guys,
This one?
let's buy this. We need this as well. Should buy this. We should get this buy one. We buy a helmet. Or to buy this. What else should I buy? What to buy? Oh, there we are. Oh.
Which one do you want?
I want those one. Look. Look right here. Come here.
You want Scooty?
I want that one.
Which one?
That one. This one.
This one? No, this one. How about this one?
Oh, no.
Oh, this one, red one. Look.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I should have reached of that. Oh, that one's so heavy, so we're going to get that.
Okay, GB.
Oh,
Yeah, this one. This.
actually cool.
This one. This one.
Okay, this one. I want to get one. I want to
Okay,
get this
fine.
one.
Fine.
Ah. Ah. Oh,
Come on.
okay, we go corner and box thing. Come, guys, let's go. So heavy. Where's my... Oh, there. Then I want to buy it.
How much is it?
So this one is on sale for £22 something, and this is for £25 something.
With the
Helmet, yeah.
Oh my
So GB
God.
wants to buy everything.
I want to buy this.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to the tills then.
Okay.
Okay, so GB decided not to take this, and now he wants to go to the tills and buy that one. Let's see if Daddy buys him or not. Daddy's gonna buy it or no?
नहीं तो क्या फायदा?
How does this work?
You need batteries for this. You need batteries.
Is battery.
No, it doesn't have batteries. It does. I think you need. There's a button to turn it on.
You're only spending another 53,
Can you show me?
One of those bits.
I want to buy light.
You actually save the money.
Torch.
Yeah.
You wanna buy torch?
Yeah, I want to buy one.
You used your voucher.
Wow. I think you need to put batteries inside.
Sorry?
You wanna buy torch? Oh, you're leaving the bike now. Are you sure?
But you don't let me use.
Oh, it turns on.
I want to buy this one.
Now he decided not to buy bike and the helmet. He wants to buy the torch. And Daddy's after these.
Stanley. Kind of the Stanley.
Alfred or